Ecosystem. Ecosystem. A biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Biomass. Biomass. The total mass of organisms in a given area or volume. Tropical. Tropical. Relating to or characteristic of the tropics, the regions near the equator. Livestock. Livestock. Farm animals regarded as an asset. Organism. Organism. An individual living thing that can function independently. Complex. Complex. Consisting of many different and interconnected parts. Diversity. Diversity. The state of being diverse, variety. Tropics. Tropics. The regions of the Earth surrounding the equator. Climax. Climax. The most intense, exciting, or important point of something. Survive. Survive. To continue to live or exist, especially in difficult conditions. Nutrients. Nutrients. Substances that provide nourishment essential for growth and life. Periods. Periods. Lengths of time during which certain events occur. Stability. Stability. The state of being stable or unchanging. Grassland. Grassland. Large open areas of country covered with grass. Rainfall. Rainfall. The amount of rain that falls over a period of time. Isolated. Isolated. Separated from other people or things. Vegetation. Vegetation. Plants in general, or plant life in a particular area. Toxic. Toxic. Poisonous or harmful to living organisms. Ecologists. Ecologists. Scientists who study the relationships between organisms and their environment. Coral. Coral. A hard, stony substance formed by marine polyps. Desert. Desert. A barren area of land with little rainfall. Layers. Layers. Different levels or thicknesses of material or substance. Reef. Reef. A ridge of rock, coral, or sand just above or below the surface of the sea. Timberline. Timberline. The elevation above which trees cannot grow. Rainforest. Rainforest. Dense forest in a tropical area with high rainfall. Succession. Succession. The process by which one ecological community replaces another. Cattle. Cattle. Large domesticated animals, especially cows. Sea level. Sea level. The average level of the ocean's surface. Aquifers. Aquifers. Underground layers of rock that hold water. Latitudes. Latitudes. The distance of a place north or south of the equator. Distribution. Distribution. The way in which something is shared or spread out. Erosion. Erosion. The process by which natural forces wear away soil or rock. Zone. Zone. An area distinguished by a particular feature or use. Shallow. Shallow. Of little depth, not deep. Shrubs. Shrubs. Small bushes with woody stems. Dominant. Dominant. Having power, influence, or control over others. Phosphorus. Phosphorus. A chemical element essential for life. Darwin. Darwin. Charles Darwin, known for the theory of evolution by natural selection. Compounds. Compounds. Substances formed by the combination of two or more elements. Tundra. Tundra. A vast, treeless region with permafrost. Coastlines. Coastlines. The outline of a coast, especially seen from above. Uneven. Uneven. Not level, smooth, or equal. Canopy. Canopy. The uppermost layer of a forest, formed by the treetops. Tectonic. Tectonic. Relating to the structure of Earth's crust. Food chain. Food chain. A series of organisms each dependent on the next for food. Spruce. Spruce. A type of evergreen tree with needle-like leaves. Zinc. Zinc. A metallic element used in alloys and essential for health. Speciation. Speciation. The formation of new and distinct species. Temperate. Temperate. Relating to regions with moderate temperatures. Plankton. Plankton. Microscopic organisms that drift in water. Tend to. Tend to. To be likely to behave in a certain way. Moose. Moose. A large deer found in northern forests. Savanna. Savanna. A grassy plain with sparse trees in tropical or subtropical regions. Microclimate. Microclimate. The climate of a small, specific area. Lagoon. Lagoon. A shallow body of water separated from the sea by a barrier. Deficiencies. Deficiencies. The state of lacking something essential. Grazing. Grazing. The act of feeding on grass. Cadmium. Cadmium. A metallic element used in batteries and pigments. Contaminated. Contaminated. Made impure or unsuitable by contact with harmful substances. Shoreline. Shoreline. The line where land meets the sea. Cretaceous. Cretaceous. Relating to the period when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Semi-arid. Semi-arid. Having light rainfall and dry conditions. Cultivation. Cultivation. The preparation and use of land for crops. Saline. Saline. Containing or consisting of salt. Antelope. Antelope. A graceful, deer-like animal found in grasslands. Ridges. Ridges. Long, narrow raised land formations.